Over 50 and looking to preserve your memory for the years to come? There are foods that, though common in your diet, may actually be harming your cognitive function. Let's talk about 8 hidden culprits that, while sitting on shelves and dinner tables, may quietly contribute to memory decline. Stick around until the end. You'll be surprised to learn how these foods impact your brain and how avoiding them might be the key to protecting your memory and even enhancing your well-being. 1. Refined sugar is memory's #1 enemy. Consuming it excessively causes blood glucose spikes, resulting in an intense insulin release that, over time, leads to chronic inflammation in the brain. Studies published by the Journal of Nutrition Health and Aging suggest that sugar can alter the functions of the hippocampus, a critical area for forming new memories. Every sip of soda and every bite of sugary desserts not only harms your body but also directly impacts cognitive function. Cutting down on sugar or swapping it out for more natural alternatives can make a huge difference in protecting your memory. 2. Trans fats, found in processed foods like margarine, cookies, chips, and fast food, have devastating effects on the brain. According to a study from the University of California, trans fats raise LDL cholesterol, the infamous bad cholesterol, and trigger an inflammatory process in cells throughout the body, including the brain. This inflammation is a primary cause of cognitive decline and memory loss. The study concluded that a diet high in trans fats can significantly increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. A better choice is to opt for foods made with healthy fats, like olive oil and avocados, to keep your brain and heart healthy. 3. White bread, pasta, and other products made with refined flour are high glycemic carbohydrates, meaning they quickly raise blood sugar levels, causing a spike followed by a sharp drop. This high-low cycle can lead to fatigue, lack of focus, and memory decline. Research shows that diets high in refined carbs are directly linked to a higher risk of cognitive problems in older adults. Replacing these foods with whole grain options, which are rich in fiber and nutrients, helps maintain stable energy levels and long-term brain function. 4. Excessive alcohol consumption. While moderate red wine consumption might be beneficial for the heart, too much alcohol is harmful to the brain. The U.S. National Institutes of Health conducted a study revealing that excessive alcohol intake reduces brain volume, especially in areas responsible for learning and memory. This means that alcohol not only impacts cognitive function but is also linked to accelerated brain aging. The advice? Limit consumption to 1 or 2 occasional drinks to minimize these impacts and protect your mind. 5. Too much salt. Foods high in sodium, like canned goods, pickles, and deli meats, pose dangers to both the brain and the heart. A study by the American Heart Association shows that excess salt raises blood pressure, which affects blood circulation to the brain. Over time, high blood pressure damages arteries and reduces blood flow to the brain, increasing the risk of cognitive diseases. Instead, go for natural seasonings like herbs and spices, which can improve brain health and keep meals flavorful without harming your memory. 6. Many consider artificial sweeteners a healthy alternative to sugar, but they come with their own drawbacks. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose may negatively impact cognitive function. Researchers discovered that people who consume artificial sweeteners regularly are at a higher risk of cognitive decline. Additionally, these products affect neurotransmitters that regulate mood and memory. To protect your brain, consider natural alternatives like stevia or honey in controlled amounts. 7. Processed meats, like hot dogs, ham, and bacon, contain large amounts of preservatives and chemical additives that can be toxic to the brain. According to Harvard Medical School, these additives cause inflammation in the body and brain, affecting mental function and promoting premature brain aging. Opting for fresh, lean meats is a healthier choice, providing protein without the harmful effects of preservatives and additives. 8. Caffeine can be beneficial in moderate doses, as it improves focus and attention. However, excessive caffeine intake, whether from coffee, energy drinks, or sodas, can negatively impact sleep quality, a key factor for memory consolidation. Johns Hopkins University published a study indicating that sleep deprivation affects cognitive function and hampers the storage of new memories. For those over 50, limiting caffeine, especially later in the day, can significantly improve sleep quality and mental health. If you enjoyed this video, there are plenty more on this channel that can help you out.